Okay, so update on uranium here, July 1st. It is intraday. It's about 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So we do have a new monthly candle, new quarterly candle, and a new 6-month candle. So second half of the year has started. We'll look at CCJ as usual. So the daily cycle picture is actually a little muddy, to be honest. So we have a swing low from day 28. Then we rallied, made a high 2 days later, and we failed. We have a swing high created, and we actually made a new low below that low. So this could be an extension of the daily cycle. We are getting a reversal here, or this could have been a new daily cycle that started, because you see we did get above the 10-day moving average. As I say, oftentimes that's actually not even that important. And when the lower time frames are a little bit more murky, you look at the higher time frames for guidance. And so for the weekly chart, we know that this is week 6. Actually, this is week 7. So that is, let me just change that. So I think that was actually a label from the daily. So we have our top on week 4. So we had an early weekly cycle low on week 15. We rallied for 4 weeks, topped out. Then we had a big swing high below 24.55, this big bar here. And now we've actually just been consolidating inside that range, right? And so we did make a new low slightly below this, and now we've rallied back. So it could end up being a false breakdown. But this has the look of a consolidation that's going to dump to new lows, probably below this $18 level. I think is going to be the important one to watch. So again, it's week 7. I'll just add that here, and so that means assuming we get our low around week 20, let's say, we could have another 12, or excuse me, what is that, like 9-8 weeks of decline. Of course, not perfect, not cycles don't always end. You can see this kind of has a lot of variation. 15 week cycle before, 23 before that, 18, 24, 19. So it gives you a bit of a ballpark, but more downside to come. And we look at the monthly chart, as I keep calling out. We probably had our 3-year cycle top on month 25, 3-year cycle, 36 months. So it means we could see our low in March 2023. So far we're green, but it's literally the first day of the month, so I wouldn't make too much of that. In the coming week, we'll start to kind of review the quarterly and 6-month candles. Right now, since it's only the first day, we're not getting a whole bunch of sort of signal at this point. So we could be making a daily cycle low here. Just change this, but the ultimate trend is definitely lower. So unless you're looking to like scalp and make like small sort of really small short-term trades, I think you're better off waiting for that bigger low.